you decided to stumble into my neck of the woods. I'm Ron, and this is Spirit God Workshop. In today's video, I'll be making a Cup of Noodles Bandai kit, or Cup Noodle Bandai kit. The Bandai company, they put out a lot of different kits that you can make, ranging from maybe something you grew up with, certain action figures and things of that nature. But in this video, I'll just be putting together, it's pretty much a plastic replica of a complete Cup of Noodles Bandai kit. Or a Cup of Noodles. Yeah, I mean, pretty much nothing more than that. A little side note, if you actually lived off of, Cup of Noodles at one point in your life, or was a big part of your diet at some point in your life, let me know in the comments below. At one point in time, we all pretty much survived off of this stuff. So that's pretty much why I'm building it. I actually want to get into kit building. So this is kind of like a training wheels type of deal for me. So I actually purchased another kit of something pretty much I grew up with from my youth. So that'll be coming later on. But in this video, I'll just be putting together this kit. Just something very calming, very therapeutic for myself. To reiterate, I just want to get into model kit building, kind of like a change of pace of what I normally do. Woodworking is my passion, but you got to change it up. Spice of life. So, all right, I'm not gonna ramble on. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. Okay, that was cool. Like I said before, a little change of pace from what I normally do. I forgot to mention, I'm rocking a Cup of Noodles. I don't know if you can see it, Cup of Noodles shirt. Yeah, so just to make it official. I like to pick up certain theme shirts. So I said, hey, I'm making this bill, so why not get motivated and get a Cup of Noodles shirt? Why not? Yeah, this was fun. Like I said before, I have another kit video coming. That one is more advanced than this one. This is pretty much, like I said before, training wheel style. This one is pretty much like jumping in a sports car, type of deal. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Be safe out there. Keep your head on the swivel. Find something that you enjoy, and that brings some type of I don't know, light in your life. Any type of enjoyment, passion, anything. Jump on it. Don't hesitate. Don't let anyone say, "Oh, I don't think that's a good idea." Follow through with what's inside, what you got going on inside yourself, and yeah, man, full steam ahead. All right. Once again, I'm out of here.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love when it's center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7.